Factoring difference of two squares. Tell whether or not the given binomial is a difference of two squares. If it is, write D. If it is not, write N. Number 1, a squared minus 81. The answer is D. Because the factor of this is a plus 9 times a minus 9. For number 2, the answer is N. No, not. Because 18 is not a perfect square number. Then for number 3, the answer is D. And the factor is D plus 5 times D minus 5. Then number 4, the answer is D. And the factor is 5e plus 4 times 5e minus 4. For number 5, the answer is N. Because this is not a difference. This is a difference of two squares. Find the missing terms of the factors. Number 1, a squared minus 81. So the factor is the quantity of a plus blank times the quantity of a minus blank. So we're going to find the square root of 81. The square root of 81 is 9. So this is 9. The number 2, so p squared divided by p, that is p. Then q squared divided by q, that is q. Number 3, so c squared divided by c, that is c. D squared divided by d, that is d. Next, so the second term, so we have 81 divided by 9. The answer is 9. If squared divided by f, the answer is f. 49 divided by 7, that is 7. Then a squared divided by e, that is e. Number 5, 100 divided by 10, that is 10. Then g squared divided by g, that is g. Next is 121 divided by 11, that is equal to 11. Then h squared divided by h is equal to h. Okay, the factor of this x squared minus 81, so this is equal to the square root of x squared, that is x minus the square root of 81 is 9. So x minus 9, x plus 9. Number 2, the square root of 4 is 2. Then the square root of x squared is x minus the square root of 49 is 7. Then that is 2x plus 7. Next, the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of x squared is x minus the square root of 81 is 9. Square root of y squared is y. Then that is 4x plus 9y. Number 4, the square root of 25 is 5. Square root of x squared is x, minus square root of 1 is 1, then 5x plus 1. Number 5, the square root of 81 is 9. The square root of x squared is x, minus the square root of 1 is 20. Then the square root of y raised to 4 is y squared. Okay, times 9x plus 20y squared. Supply the missing terms to factor the given polynomials completely. Number 1, the problem is 3x squared minus 12y squared. So that is equal to 3 times the quantity of x squared minus blank. So all you have to do is to divide 3x squared divided by 3, that is x squared, minus then 12y squared divided by 3, that is equal to 4y squared. Next is factor x squared minus 4y squared. So x squared divided by x, that is x. Then 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Then y squared divided by y is equal to y. Then the final factors, we have these 3. Then the factor of this, we have x plus 2y times x minus 2y. Number 2, 1 minus 16x raised to the power of 8. So you have 1 divided by 1, that is equal to 1. Then 16 divided by 4, that is equal to 4. Then x raised to 8 divided by x raised to 4, that is equal to x raised to 4. Then find the factor of this binomial. 1 divided by 1, that is equal to 1. Then 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. Then x raised to 4 divided by x raised to 2, that is equal to x raised to 2. Then the final factors, so we have this one, 1 plus 4x raised to 4 times the factor of this, 1 plus 2x squared times 1 minus 2x squared. Okay. Number 3, a raised to 4 divided by a squared, that is a squared. Then 625 divided by 25, that is 25. Then b raised to 8 divided by b raised to 4, that is b raised to 4. Next, find the difference of these two binomial. This binomial rather. You have a squared divided by a, that is equal to a. Then 25 divided by 5, that is 5. B raised to 4 divided by b squared, that is b squared. Then the final factors, you have this a squared plus 25 b raised to 4 times a plus 5b squared times the quantity of a minus 5b squared.